For all you people that are starting your PhD, or if you're going into your PhD interviews, your doctorate interviews, I want you to promise me one thing, one little tiny thing, and hopefully this will make a huge difference in your life. So if you don't know me, I'm Associate Professor of Innovation, Strategy, and Entrepreneurship, Professor Dave Maslach, and I created this whole reciprocity project to give back as much as I possibly can. There were so many people that helped me out that I want to pay the favor forward to help you out as much as I possibly can. This thing is going to change who you are, and I really need you to say it out loud right now. Don't lose faith in yourself. It is so important for you to keep going, to believe in yourself, and don't let all of the crap that happens around you suck you up and make you lose faith in yourself. Make sure that you're true to who you are as an individual, as a person, and you stick with it. I know that there is a lot of women that are thinking of going into science. There's lots of people that are maybe immigrants that are thinking of going into science. There's lots of people from all over the world that are thinking of going into science in whatever country that you're in. I want you to promise me that you're not going to lose faith in yourself. You're going to face an uphill battle. If you are trying to make a difference in your life, if you're trying to push forward and do things that are different in the community, in the scientific community, in the research community, you're going to face a lot of stuff. And I want you to hold that strength in yourself. If you have to, please come back and watch this video over and over and over again. I'm just imploring you. I want you to remember this. Don't lose faith in yourself. Stay true to who you are as a person. You know that you're a good person. You know you want to make a difference in this world. You know that you believe in science. Don't get sucked up in the scientific engine. Rise above it. Stay true to the fact that you actually believe in something that's good, you believe in something that needs to be changed, and you have the confidence to make this change in the world around you. So again, I'm calling out all you women, people coming from all parts of the world to go do something, all you first generation students. Believe in yourself. It's going to take a lot of strength. You're going to be doing something that's important in this world. And remember that you can do this.